Hello dear friends, dear Sparks. I'm here in front of our beehives, and because I want to share something very special. And maybe you see something on my eye here. And before yesterday there was a bee who came to kiss me here. This is the result. And today I understood why. It was a bee who came to give me a goodbye kiss. I didn't know, but today I know. And on the International Bee Day of today, one of a half of this family of bees, they left the house and they are now up there in the tree. I try to show you on the video. So they left this hive just this morning and they went up over there. You can see the whole day they're up there in the tree as an amazing constellation, looking now for a place, a new place in nature to live in freedom. So already all day we can look to this phenomenon, amazing, from nature. This intelligence that makes me very humble. Because in the hive where they left, there are still bees. So, because one or other higher intelligence, there are bees who know they have to leave with the old mother, who is now up there in the tree. And there are bees who know we have to stay. And we will grow a new queen. And it was in talking and observing together with my wife Nina that we were so amazed by this higher intelligence. Every bee knows what to do. It gets born, it starts immediately to work. They don't have to ask to somebody, what's my mission here on Earth? They know what to do, they just do. After 3 weeks inside, they leave the hive to get nectar and pollen from the flowers. And look at us, human beings. What we need, how complicated our life, we make our life to find our mission. Why am I born here on this planet? We write books, we do workshops, because we are cut off of this higher intelligence, where everything is clear, where there are no questions. What do I have to do? As every other species here around us in nature. So we have a long way to go just to become again on the starting point why we are born. And we work a lot on this issue within Alchemy of Sparks. And we will continue, of course. But this amazing miracle that happens every year in nature, at least when you leave the bees free, it's such an example for us. It inspires us to go this path, to find again this higher connection with our higher self, where it's evident what we have to do in our life on this planet. So I wanted to share up there in the tree right now, it's one miracle of intelligence. Every bee, he knows what to do. There are more she than he, of course. Because they know what to do. They are looking for a new place, they are feeding, and they are there for maximum 3 days. And they go to their new house, somewhere further to the south in the forest. Let's hope they find a good hollow tree or whatever to multiply. That's my intention. That they can again fly free in this nature and not prisoned, as we do more and more. So this was to share this miracle with you. This example that inspires us on our way in Alchemy of Sparks to become again this simple human being. The closer we come to our higher self, the simpler it becomes. That's for me the indication. So with a lot of joy and grateful for this gift of nature, we wish you a lot of light on your way to find again, to reconnect again with your higher self and to find who you really are, what you have to do here on this planet. May the sparks be with you on this way. Ciao.